Good morning. So the first word is tenable. Tenable. So it means justifiable. Okay, or you can say defensible. Defense. Okay, justifiable or defensible. So sentences are: if the students maintain certain grade point average, then the scholarship is tenable for 4 years. If the student maintains If the student maintains a certain grade point average, then the scholarship is tenable for 4 years. So the theory is no longer tenable in the light of the recent discovery. In the light of, okay, his theory is no longer tenable in the light of the recent discoveries. The fellowship is tenable for 3 years. The fellowship is tenable for 3 years. So the first word is tenable. So what is the synonym? So we already discussed justifiable or defensible. So what is the opposite? If untenable. Okay. Next word is derogatory. So derogatory means a disrespectful attitude. So that is known as derogatory. So there is no disrespectful attitude is known as derogatory.
Disparaging.
So this is a different word, synonym for that. Okay. So derogatory, which means synonym is disparaging. So the meaning is disrespectful or showing a critical. Okay, so let's read the sentence. The public criticized the basketball team owner after he made derogatory remarks about minorities. So it's like disrespectful attitude he showed, remarks he showed about minority. The public criticized the basketball team owner after he made derogatory remarks about minorities. He made some derogatory comment or remark about her appearance. So as I told earlier, and the synonym for this is disparaging.
Disparaging. Disparaging.
Disparaging.
Disparaging.
Okay.
Disparaging.
Disparaging. So I am not sure whether you can read this. He is good for nothing. So these birds are commenting on this bird. He never misses an opportunity to dispatch me. So So the word which we studied now is derogatory, right? So let's see in the newspaper also derogatory. Advocates among three arrested at advocates among three arrested for derogatory. So it's disrespectful attitudes posts on Supreme High Court judges. Derogatory different word is defamatory post. So CBI, same news only. CBI files 7 more FIR over defamatory post against judges. So this is for dispatching. No grounds for High Court to make dispatching remarks. Next word. So opposite is flattering. So opposite of dispatching is flattering. So India vs West Indies. That was something very flattering. Prasid Krishna on Captain Rohit Sharma's high praise. Very flattering. Okay. Deepika Padukone declares Ranveer Singh as the best husband in the world as he flatters her with a cute moment on Instagram. Flatters. So next word is detractor. Okay. Detractor means it's like a person who downgrades someone or something. Again, it's like similar to this respectful attitude. They are downgrading someone or something. Once the controversial movie was released into theater, a detractor, criticizer, verbally disapproved in the local newspaper of its success. Once the controversial movie was released into theaters, a detractor verbally disapproved in the local newspaper. So synonym is dispatcher also. You can even place this a dispatcher. Okay. His detractors claim that his fierce temper makes him unsuitable for leadership. So this is the detractors. Okay. For Kerala, CPM campaign plays Kerala detractors. Detractors are sadists, say Kerala CM Pinarayi Vijayan. Okay, so this is the detractors or dispatcher. Next word is bolster. Bolster means support or strengthen. Okay, to support or improve something or make it stronger, that is known as bolster. More money is needed to bolster the industry. More money is needed to bolster the industry. She tried to bolster my confidence by telling me that I had a special talent. She tried to bolster me, encourage, support, strengthen my confidence or morale by telling me that I have a special talent. They need to do something to bolster their image. So another synonym is fortify. So you can say bolster or fortify. Ranji Trophy, Kerala to bolster batting against Gujarat. Or you can say opposite is undermine. So abrogate. Abrogate means abolition of a law, right or agreement. That is known as abrogate. So this is the picture for abrogate, abolish. Abolition of a law, right or agreement. If you hate something, abrogate it. Abolish it. After all, bad should be given up. Abrogate. So the sentences are, if you talk out loud in class, I will abrogate your right to choose where to sit. The treaty was abrogated in 1929. So the treaty was abrogated. It was abolished. To awards, okay, this is the meaning only. Companies are really abrogating responsibility for safety. He seemed violating, right? Abolishing, violating. He seems to abrogate his duty to withhold law and order. Abrogate. Next word is
acquiescence,
acquiescence.
acquiescence,
Acquiescence.
acquiescence,
Essence is the right. KWI. Acquiescence.
acquiescence,
Acquiescence means, see, reluctant. The reluctant acceptance of something without protest. So simply accepting without any protest, that is known as acquiescence. So the sentence are, so these are the examples for acquiescence. He acquiesced to his spoiled child's demand. So these are the pictures for acquiescence. Despite the wife's acquiescence and constant giving in to her husband's demand, he still complained constantly and was never pleased. Despite the wife's acquiescence and constant giving in to her husband's demands, he still complained constantly and was never pleased. I was surprised by her acquiescence in the plan. She nodded her acquiescence. So the meaning is synonym is consent and opposite is refusal. Next word is aftermath. Aftermath means consequences or after effects of a significant unpleasant event. Okay, so it's basically means consequences. Starting at the aftermath, Mrs. Shaw wished that she had invited fewer guests to her annual Halloween party. Many more people died in the aftermath as a consequence. Okay, in the aftermath of the explosion. So the synonym is corollary. Okay. I didn't find any news for corollary. Next word is ascertain. Find out. For certain. Ascertain means find out.
Ascertain. Ascertain.
Ascertain. R is silent. Ascertain.
Ascertain.
Ascertain means to find out. The police are trying to ascertain what really happened. So that is known as investigation, like to find out. The police have so far been unable to ascertain the cause of the explosion. The police have so far been unable to find out the cause of the explosion. Have you ascertained whether she is coming or not? Detective Jimmy was able to quickly ascertain the suspect was not being honest with him. Ascertain. Synonym is affirm and the antonym is deny. A quick Bible verse for hope. God will definitely wipe away all the tears from your eyes, and there shall be no more death, no sorrow, no cry. There shall be no more pain, for the former things have passed away. So, God will definitely wipe away all your tears. Thank you.